Hey everyone, I'm Jonathan. Welcome back to Lexiswap. In this video, I'll show you how to explore a language variety and post your very first story on the platform step by step. If you haven't signed up yet, or you're not totally done setting things up, no worries. Just check out the registration tutorial first, then come back here. Alright, let's jump in. So once you sign up and finish setting everything up, you'll notice that the language variety switcher, that box at the top, isn't empty anymore. This lets you switch from one language variety to another, and when you do, the whole interface kind of updates automatically to match that language. On Lexiswap, there are basically two types of pages. First, you've got variety-specific pages. Those change depending on the language you pick, and you'll know you're on one because you can see the language switcher. Then you've got global pages. Those use your default language from your settings. On those pages, you won't see the switcher at all. It might sound a little technical, but honestly, it makes total sense once you use it. Alright, let's start learning some French. I'm going to switch the variety to Français Métropolitain. And as you can see, the whole interface just switched to French. Now I'll click on Explore in the main menu to see what's new in this specific variety. From here, all you really have to do is scroll down, check out the posts and definitions, and interact with them. I can already see there are a ton of new definitions here. For each definition, you can listen to the pronunciation by clicking on the little speaker icon.
Pas de pression.
You can read the meaning, look at the illustration, and check out the examples to help it really sink in. And if you like it, you can upvote the definition. Now let me find a post so I can show you what that looks like. Alright, here we go. This is a post from a native speaker named Juliette. You can read the post yourself, or you can listen to it to hear how native speakers actually pronounce things.
Histoire du quotidien. Aujourd'hui, j'ai aidé un élève à conjuguer aller au futur. Il a hésité, puis tout.
You can even look up a word right from the post. Just select the word, then click the magnifier icon.
Allez.
And yeah, you can like a post, comment on it, revise it, or translate it. We'll get into all that stuff in future videos. Now, I want to practice my French by sharing a story myself. So first, I'll check my LexiCoin wallet. Just so you know, these aren't real money. They're virtual coins used inside Lexiswap. I got 10 free LexiCoins. And posting costs 5. So yeah, we're good. Now I'll head over to the My Posts page. And as you can see, there are 4 phases to go through. Write, read, illustrate, and index. I'll start with the write phase. I already wrote my story earlier, so I'll just paste it in here. This progress bar shows how many characters you've got left, since the max is 1020 characters. Once that looks good, I'll click Next. Now we're in the read phase. Here, I need to allow mic access so I can read my story out loud. I'll click Allow while visiting the site. Then I'll start recording. Je mettais ma chanson préférée à fond et je chantais comme si j'étais en concert. Soudain, ma tortue est sortie de son aquarium, à moitié endormie, me fixant genre « Mec, c'est l'heure de la sieste. Arrête. J'ai présenté mes excuses et baissé le volume. I'll stop the recording, then click Next. Now we're in the Illustrate phase. I'm asked to allow webcam access, but don't worry, nothing starts recording automatically. So I'll click Allow while visiting the site. This is where you can add an image or a video, either from your computer or by recording one. Here you can upload a file, take a snapshot, or record a video. I already have an image saved, so I'll just use that. I like this one because it sums up my story pretty well. Alright, next. Now we're in the index phase. This is where you choose the speech style for your post. Basically, it's how formal or casual you want to sound, depending on the situation. You don't talk the same way to a friend, a teacher, or online. That's speech style. You've got 4 options: formal, informal, street language, and neutral. If you're not sure, neutral is always a safe pick. In my case, I'll go with informal. Next up, we've got labels. These are basically keywords, kind of like social media tags. I'll add a few here. And finally, there's the postbook option. You can use this to group related posts together, like a little story collection. It's optional, so I'll skip it for now. Alright, moment of truth. I'll click Submit, and that's it. My first post on Lexiswap. Now people can see it, comment on it, revise it if needed, and translate it. Let's see how people react to my kinda crazy story. Alright, that's it for this video. You've just seen how to explore a language variety and publish your first post on Lexiswap. If you mess up, that's totally fine. That's how you learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!